Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salmon in the oven with foil. This method is incredibly simple and results in perfectly cooked fish every time. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, prepare your salmon fillets. Gently pat them dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture, which helps with even cooking and seasoning adherence. This quick prep ensures your salmon is ready for the next steps. Now it's time to season your salmon. Drizzle about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over each fillet, then sprinkle generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other herbs you love like dill or parsley. Next, place each seasoned fillet onto a sheet of aluminum foil. Carefully fold the foil over the salmon, creating a tightly sealed packet. This foil packet is key to steaming the fish, keeping it moist and flavorful. With your salmon securely wrapped in foil, it's time to bake. Place the foil packets directly onto a baking sheet. Slide the baking sheet into your preheated 400-degree oven. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. The exact time depends on the thickness of your fillets. Aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, remove from the oven and let the salmon rest in its foil for about 5 minutes. After resting, carefully unwrap your salmon packets. Be cautious of the hot steam that will escape. You'll find perfectly cooked, tender, and flaky salmon ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice adds a wonderful bright finish. This foil baking method guarantees a delicious meal with incredibly easy cleanup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.